Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2018 Hyundai Sonata. To begin this project, you will need a long extension with a ratchet with a 13mm socket to take off the battery bracket, which is located directly in front of the battery itself. Once you take off the battery bracket, your next step is you want to take off this airflow. You can gently just move it itself out the way itself. And your next step is you want to take off the ground. Disconnect your ground, which is the negative terminal of the battery itself. You can use a 10mm socket for this or a 10mm wrench. And turn clockwise until you freely release the screws and you will feel the negative terminal come off the post itself. Your next step is take that same 10mm wrench, turn it clockwise until you loosen up the bolt for your positive terminal. Take off your positive terminal, and you'll be easily to remove the battery out of the car itself. Today we are reinstalling this vehicle with the world's best reconditioned battery, which is known with batteryguyz.com. What you want to do is you want to connect your positive terminal first and tighten up that bolt with your 10mm wrench. And it's your first time stopping by the Battery Guyz Nation with a Z. If we're adding value to the day with this battery install, please like the video, share the video, and also to subscribe to the channel. We are uploading daily videos of how we install car battery videos, how we recondition batteries, how we actually recycle batteries, the whole process here at Battery Guyz Nation. Now your next step is you want to go ahead and insert your battery bracket first. Then your last step is you want to connect your negative terminal back on this battery itself. Just make sure that you tighten up the bolts with your 10mm wrench as well. This battery here is a group size H5. This battery retails around like $189.9 to $210 at your national auto part chain. Believe it or not, we actually have this same battery. We have a 2-year warranty on it shipped to your door for around about $124. That's a 2-year warranty shipped to your door around like $124. Best deal in the nation with a 2-year warranty. Once you get everything back connected, make sure you just put the airflow. But this is exactly how you install a 2018 Honda Sonata battery. Thank you for stopping by Battery Guyz Nation. We definitely appreciate all your support.